Long ago, during the glorious reign of King Krishna, the kingdom of Vijayanagara was famous for its wealth, culture, and great scholars. Among the king's most trusted men was Tenali Raman, who was known for his cleverness and wisdom. One day, a proud scholar named Pandit Vishwavit arrived at the royal court. He had traveled through many kingdoms and claimed that he knew everything about science, mathematics, medicine, history, and philosophy. I have defeated every scholar who has challenged me, he proudly announced. I believe no one in the court can match my knowledge. The king looked at Tenali Raman. Tenali, would you like to test him? Tenali smiled and agreed. The scholar began asking Tenali difficult questions. Tenali answered several of them correctly, but sometimes he simply said, I don't know. The scholar laughed. How can you call yourself wise when you don't know the answers to my questions? Tenali calmly replied, a wise person is not ashamed to admit what he doesn't know. The scholar then asked, can you tell me exactly how many grains of sand are there in the whole world? Tenali smiled. Of course, there are exactly as many grains of sand as there are grains of sand. The court burst into laughter. The scholar became annoyed, but he decided to give Tenali another challenge. The next day, Tenali took him to the palace garden. He picked a ripe mango and gave it to the scholar. Tell me everything you know about this mango. The scholar immediately began explaining its history, scientific name, nutrients, and the type of tree on which it grew. Tenali listened patiently. Then he asked, have you ever tasted a mango? The scholar paused. No. Tenali cut the mango and gave him a piece. The scholar tasted it and smiled. Now, said Tenali, you know something your books could never fully teach you, the taste of a mango. The scholar finally understood. I have collected a great deal of knowledge, he admitted, but I confused knowledge with wisdom. The king smiled. True wisdom, he said, does not make a person proud. It makes a person humble and willing to learn. The scholar bowed to Tenali. Today you have taught me a lesson I will never forget. Tenali smiled and replied, the wisest person is not the one who knows everything, but the one who knows that there is always more to learn. Thanks for listening. For more interesting stories, like, share, subscribe to the channel.